Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! It's Mike, your go-to expert for all things crypto. Today, we've got some exciting news for you. Let's dive in. Our first story comes from Swift, the global messaging system used by banks for international transfers. They have announced that they are testing on-chain messaging with a stablecoin called Linea. What does this mean? Well, currently, Swift messages are sent through a centralized system, which can be slow and costly. But with on-chain messaging, transactions can be processed faster and at a lower cost. Linea is a stablecoin backed by the US dollar, which adds another layer of stability to this new system. Moving on to our next story, let's talk about Ethereum. What can we expect from this popular cryptocurrency in the next 3 years? In the past few months, Ethereum has been making headlines with its scalability issues. But the team behind it has been working on solutions, including the highly anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. This will bring faster transaction speeds and lower fees, making it more attractive to businesses and developers. Additionally, with the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi applications built on the Ethereum network, we can expect to see even more growth in the coming years. And finally, let's talk about Ripple and their cryptocurrency XRP. Recent news suggests that their XRP ledger could potentially rival Ethereum in the realm of real-world asset RWA market. For those who are unfamiliar, RWAs are traditional assets like stocks and bonds that are digitized and traded on a blockchain. Ripple has been working on integrating the XRP ledger with these assets, allowing for faster and more efficient trading. This could potentially position XRP as a competitor to Ethereum in this market. Well, that's it for today's top crypto news. But before we go, remember to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.